What's up, everyone? Welcome back to Top 5 Tray, the spot where smart tech meets real-life convenience. And today, we've got something next level, the Narwal Freo X Ultra, a robot so smart, it scrubs, vacuums, and even cleans itself, all without you lifting a finger. We're talking laser precision mapping, automatic mop washing, and suction power that'll make you question why you ever cleaned manually in the first place. This isn't just a vacuum, it's your new favorite roommate. Stick around, because once you see what this thing can do, your old vacuum is going straight to the donation bin. Trust me, this is one smart upgrade you don't want to miss. Remember, the product featured in this video will be linked in the description below, so be sure to scroll down and check it out. Before we dive into this robotic powerhouse, go ahead and smash that like button, subscribe if you're into stress-free living, and drop a comment below. Would you let a robot vacuum and mop your home while you sleep? The Narwal Freo X Ultra isn't your average robot vacuum. This thing is a full-blown, self-sufficient cleaning system that vacuums, mops, scrubs, rinses, dries, and even thinks for itself. We're talking 8,200 pascals of raw suction power, combined with DirtSense smart scrubbing, auto mop washing and drying, and a maintenance-free base station that handles the dirty work. Literally, if you're looking for a robot that can do it all without babysitting, this is it. One of the coolest things about this machine is DirtSense trademark. The Narwal Freo X Ultra can actually detect how dirty your floors are and keep scrubbing until they're clean. It's not just going through the motions, it knows when a stain is gone and when it needs more elbow grease. And check this out, it applies 12 newtons of downward pressure when it mops. That's like having someone press down and scrub with real force. So when you spill juice or the dog tracks in mud, it's not just smearing it around, it's scrubbing it clean. This robot also brings the heat with its edge cleaning skills. With edge swing, it doesn't avoid corners, it leans into them. It swings the mops out to clean along your baseboards, around table legs, and into places other robots usually miss. Those mop pads spin at 180 revolutions per minute. That's fast. Think of it like two little power scrubbers working in sync while the vacuum handles everything else. It's kind of wild how effective it is. But here's where it really separates itself, the self-cleaning base station. After every clean, the Narwal heads back to its base, and that's where the magic happens. It washes its mop pads, dries them with warm air so they don't get moldy or musty, and empties the dustbin into a sealed container. You never have to touch anything gross. No mildew smells, no handling soggy mop cloths, no clouds of dust hitting your face when you try to dump a bin. You can go weeks without doing a thing. It's seriously low maintenance. And it's smart too, thanks to advanced LiDAR navigation. The Freo X Ultra learns your home, creates efficient routes, and avoids obstacles with precision. It doesn't wander around aimlessly. It knows where it's been and where it needs to go next. You can customize everything in the Narwal app, from setting cleaning schedules to room-specific routines. Want the kitchen mopped every night after dinner? Done. Want it to skip the playroom during nap time? Easy. You can even adjust mop strength and suction power per room. And if you're more into voice control, good news, it works with Alexa and Google Assistant. Just say, "Alexa, clean the living room," and boom, it gets to work. Total hands-free living. It adapts to any floor type too. Hardwood, tile, laminate, carpet. It knows what it's rolling over and adjusts accordingly. When it hits carpet, it lifts the mop to avoid soaking it, and when it hits hard floors, it scrubs with everything it's got. And guess what? It's whisper quiet. You can have it running while you're watching a movie, taking a call, or putting the baby to bed. It's powerful, but it doesn't shout about it. Pet parents, you're gonna love this one. It tackles pet hair like a champ. Whether it's fur, crumbs, or kitty litter, the Narwal handles it. And because it empties into a sealed dustbin, you're not kicking allergens back into the air every time it cleans. That's a game changer if you've got allergies. Battery life is excellent. It can clean multiple rooms on a single charge, and if it needs more juice, it'll return to its dock, recharge, and finish the job. No half-cleaned zones or forgotten corners. It's sleek and low profile too, so it slides under furniture like a ninja. No more dust bunnies hiding under the couch. And the best part? It's all customizable. You can adjust suction levels, mop intensity, cleaning frequency, even update the firmware, all from the app. You don't need to be a tech wizard to get it running the way you want. So, what are you actually getting with the Narwal Freo X Ultra? A vacuum and mop system that scrubs like a pro, detects dirt, cleans itself, avoids carpets when mopping, and gives you back hours of your life every week. It's pet-friendly, allergy-conscious, and built for real homes with real messes. This isn't just about convenience, it's a lifestyle shift. It's a smart home upgrade that delivers day after day with zero micromanagement. If you've been holding off on getting a robot vacuum because you thought they weren't smart enough or strong enough, this one might just change your mind. Let me know what you think down in the comments. Would you trust your floor care to the Narwal Freo X Ultra? And hey, if this helped you out, hit that like button, subscribe for more smart tech reviews, and tap the bell so you never miss a drop. Until next time, stay smart, stay spotless. Peace out.